So that was a fail.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today this video is sponsored by Curlsqueen. So here's the thing, clip-ins are quick, clip-ins are easy, but not everybody's texture or hair color is going to give you a seamless blend. Or you might just feel like we're in a different hair pattern than the one that grew out of your head. Please come out of the people them business. So here what we're going to do today. Let's see how many cute, quick, easy styles we can come up with using these Curlsqueen clip-in. No blending required. So in my head, I've already thought of about 7 styles. 7 different styles that I can also keep the same braiding pattern for. So theoretically, you could follow this braid pattern and do each of these styles every day of the week without having to pull out your own natural hair or stressing your own natural hair. Well, it only ended up being 6 styles because one was a fail. So let's start style number 1 by first applying our 20-inch coarse kinky coily clip-ins from Curlsqueen. A direct link to these same clip-ins will be down in the description box, along with a discount code. Oh, come here. I don't get a commission from you using my link, but when you use my link to purchase from Curlsqueen, it tells them that they never waste them time or sponsor me. So to the very back of my head, I've already applied the longest piece of clip-in with 5 combs. And above that, I'm clipping in the 4 piece, another 4 piece, then right in the same row, I'm applying a 2 piece, a 3 piece, and another 2 piece. So far, this is only 6 pieces out of the upgraded 10-piece set. And because each of the pieces are double weft, you can see that it's very thick and able to complete a full head. And with my other 5-piece track, I'm clipping that up close to my parting. If you thought 10 pieces of hair wouldn't be enough, this is not even 10. I still have 2 pieces out here, a 2-piece and a 3-piece. So this first style is the easiest. I'm simply going to catch my own hair up into a ponytail and tightly wrap the twist into a bun. And with the 3-piece weft, I'm going to clip it into my own bun and loosely wrap it around. Clip at the front. And then add some accessories to finish off the look. This is giving wedding guest. Who invited me to their wedding? So to start this one, I'm going to remove the clip-ins just for a second, and I'm going to do 3 large loose twists to the front of my hair. And then with the ends of the twist, I'm going to crochet them into my cornrows. I swear, I'm going somewhere with this. So I have a black satin ribbon that I usually do all my low puffs with, but for some reason, I can't find it right now. However, while looking around for something else to do this puff with, I was going to use a shoelace. I laid eyes on this ribbon. Yes, the same ribbon that was wrapped around the Curlsqueen's box. I'm gonna use it in this hairstyle. So while I reapply these clip-ins over my twists, let's go through what came in the Curlsqueen's box. So before we even got to the clip-ins, right on top was a reusable pouch with some goodies. And in this pouch was a detangling brush, some reusable clips, 2 headbands, and a satin bonnet. This satin bonnet not going to be big enough to fit over my head with the clip-ins on, but at night I can take off the clip-ins, put it in the dust bag, and wear the bonnet over my head alone. So I am reapplying the clip-ins in the same order I had before, but it's just that this time before I apply the final clip-in up top, this is where I'm going to add my satin ribbon. And we're going to pin this down. 2 bobby pins. So now I'm going to add my final piece of clip-in right above my ribbon. And to basically turn my clip-ins into a headband wig, I'm adding my headband. How am I going to fit this headband over this big head? Oh! Yes! Okay. Okay. Success. I'm just gonna add my headband. Oh my god! Wow! For this next one, I want to get that sleek down look, like the sleek band. Yeah. Side part or center part? Let's start with a center part. And with each side of my hair, I'm doing a light detangling, slap on some gel before doing a loose twist, and sleek it down with my new brush. Then with my jumbo hair pins, I'm going to pin my hair back behind my ear and pin in the ends of my twist underneath my clip-ins to hide it. And then I'm going to add my headband. I hear what you're saying. This looks just like the first headband wig style, but just with a part in the middle. So here what we're going to do to spice it up. So good thing so much pieces of hair comes with the Curlsqueen clip-ins, because right here I have a 2 clip track and I'm going to cut it in 2. And I also cut the clip off of it, so now I'm going to cut this again in 2. And now this is too small for a clip. If it wasn't, I would have sewn on one of those extra clips that came in the pack, but since it's too small, I'm just going to add a bobby pin. And then underneath my headband, I'm going to clip that in. Yes! And even just with this one style, you have options. So you can either leave it like this, or you can give this a nice loose twist. I have some fun accessories here. Did I mention I love accessories? Yeah, let's do this. I mean, there's so many other things you could do with these front pieces. You could plait it, you could do bubble braids, so many different accessories you could add as well. Like, I think this is my favorite style. It might be too early to say that since you have 3 more styles to go, but after you're finished seeing all the styles, let me know what your favorite is. I'm looking forward to seeing it in the comments. So with this next style, I'm starting with a side part, and I'm slapping on some gel and sleeking it down with my brush just as before. And so that my ends are easier to manage, I'm giving it a little twist, and I'm pinning the hair back behind my ear with some jumbo hair pins. Then with the end of the twist, I'm pinning it between the clip-ins. I was just going to be like, damn, I could leave it like this. But then I remember, no blending required. So with the next side, I'm going to be doing the same exact thing. Could this be sleeker? Yes. By using a lot more gel, brushing down your hair, and even tying down the front of the hair to really get it nice, flat, and sleek. However, I'm quickly running through all the styles, so let's use this opportunity to add more accessories. I think I bought these for my wedding, but didn't end up using them, so I just had them sitting down here. I love it. It's so cute. With this next style, we've gone back to the center part. And after adding some gel, I'm going to brush my hair up and put it into 2 ponytails. And then with the ends of my own hair, I'm going to twist it and put it into a tight bun. And this might be a little cute, but the tracks are showing and the hair color don't match. So to each of my bun, I'm going to add a 2 clip weft and wrap it loosely around my own hair. And before we add accessories, let's cover up these tracks without using a headband. I'm just going to go underneath the track. So I'm going to carefully put the latch hook needle underneath the weft, not getting it into my own hair. Then I'm going to separate a lock of hair from the clip-in, put it into the latch hook needle, and bring it under the weft. Bring it to the front. And with this method, I'm not crocheting the clip-in hair through my hair. I'm simply using the latch hook needle to bring the same clip-in hair underneath the weft. What weft? And for accessories for this style, I'm adding bubbles. Lime green is my favorite color, so I'm gonna do lime green. Although I think pink would match my outfit more. I mean, the shirt has green in there. Just call me the accessories queen. So for this style, this is going to be the most amount of manipulation I'll be doing to my own hair for this entire video. Put some edge control all around the section. Then add an elastic, but not too tight. So basically I'm doing a crisscross elastic style and I'm directing the hair towards my ear. So to help the style to look neat, I'm twirling my hair before adding it to the diagonal section. And when I reach to the very end, I'm just doing a plait because I really didn't expect the ends to be this thick. I thought I could have just do a loose twist, but it would have just been too much. So I decided instead to put the ends in a nice tight plait. And I hid it between the clip-ins. Now let's do the same thing to the other side. And we're going to keep the accessories for this style pretty basic. Okay, not basic. Let's use the word classic. The other styles I showed you could probably last like 1 or 2 days without any touching up, but I think this style can last me a full 2 weeks, and yeah. But I did show you a lot of options, so if you want to change styles every other day, go for it. Thanks again Curlsqueen for sponsoring this video. I really love how nice and soft the hair is and full. Like up to now, I still don't have in all 10 of the clip-ins in my hair. Maybe I add like a next piece somewhere here. I could add a next piece here. Let me just add it for adding its sake. Look at that volume! And don't forget to leave your comment down below. Which style is your favorite? So guys, if I influenced you to purchase these clip-ins, be sure to click my direct link down in the description box and also use my discount code. Okay beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did. If you're new to my channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, it's alright. I'll leave some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then after watching like 1 or 2 more of my videos, you should realize by then that you actually enjoy the content here and it just makes sense to subscribe. Okay beauties, thanks again for watching. Later.